Bill Harkleroad, known professionally as Zoot Horn Rollo, born January 8, 1949, is an American guitarist. He is best known for his work with Captain Beefheart and the Magic Band. In 2003, he was ranked number 62 in a Rolling Stone magazine list of the 100 greatest guitarists of all time. Biography. Born in Hawthorne, California, Harkleroad was trained as an accordionist as a child, but changed to guitar in his teens. In nearby Lancaster, California, he became involved in local bands. With a future member of the Magic Band, Mark Boston, he joined the band named BC and the Cavemen. The two later played in the group Blues in a Bottle along with the future Magic Band guitarist Jeff Cotton. He joined the Magic Band in 1968 after the departure of Alex St. Clair. After recording Trout Mask Replica and several further albums, he left in 1974, with several other band members, to form Mallard. His book, Lunar Notes, describes some of the tensions that contributed to the split between Captain Beefheart and the other band members. After the breakup of Mallard, Harkleroad had a limited involvement with the music community as a performer. He continued his involvement in another capacity, however, as a record store manager and guitar instructor in Eugene, Oregon. On November 27, 2001, he released We Saw a Bozo Under the Sea. In 2008, John French, aka Drumbo, released an album City of Refuge on which Harkleroad played guitar on all 12 tracks. In 2013, Harkleroad contributed lead guitar to a psychobilly track on the Eugene-based band Cherry Pop and Daddy's album White Teeth, Black Thoughts. Discography. With Captain Beefheart and his Magic Band. 1969 Trout Mask Replica. 1970 Lick My Diesels Off, Baby. 1972 The Spotlight Kid. 1972 Clear Spot. 1974 Unconditionally Guaranteed with Mallard. 1975 Mallard. 1976 In a Different Climate Solo. 2001 We Saw a Bozo Under the Sea. 2014 Masks. Bibliography. Harkleroad, Bill, 1998. Lunar Notes, Zoot Horn Rollo's Captain Beefheart Experience. Interlink Publishing. ISBN 0-946,719-21-7. References. External links. Homepage. Hi-Fi Mundo Interview, 1997. Guitar Player Magazine Biography. Interview in University of Oregon Voice. Mallard, Band, web pages online since 1995.